Hi mga ka-tech team! Want to level up your QA career? Here are certifications that can boost your resume. Hindi required ang certifications para maging QA tester, pero malaking advantage ito lalo na kung gusto mo mag-stand out sa ibang applicants. Number 1 is ISTQB Certificate Tester. Pinaka-popular na certification para sa QA professionals ay ang ISTQB Foundation Level. Dito, matututunan mo ang software testing principles at best practices. Number 2, Certified Agile Tester. Kung ang target mong company ay gumagamit ng Agile methodology, magandang magkaroon ng Agile Testing Certification. Number 3 naman is yung Postman API. Kung gusto mo mag-focus sa API testing, magandang idagdag sa resume mo ang Postman API Fundamental Certifications. Number 4 is yung Automation Testing Certification. Para sa mga gusto maging Automation QA, pwede kang kumuha ng certification related to Selenium, Playwright o kaya Cypress. Next is yung Cloud Certification. Habang maraming companies ang lumilipat sa cloud, malaking plus kung basic knowledge ka sa AWS or Azure certifications. Certifications alone would get you hired. Combination them with hands-on practice, projects, and strong portfolio. Anong certification ang balak mong kuhain? Comment down below. Follow me for more tech tips. Thank you!